Hi guys, good morning. How are you? So today we are going to open it up. Let's check the content. Let's see whether she gave me something good because I'm expecting something good, okay? Right from the northern region of Ghana. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's see what it says. Nicely filled. Do you like it? Okay, so the last ones I bought, it was like melted in it. But this one, they made it like this. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, the smell is great. It has a great smell. Yeah, just that the ones that I bought previously, it wasn't like this. It was melted completely in it. So this is the Shea return. Let's check this one too. My hand has become oily. No, this is Groundnut paste. Great. I guess this is also Groundnut paste. So we have lots of groundnut paste. Amazing. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Let's see what I'll do next week then.